our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Surbhi Gupta, and today we are joined by expert panelists from Vidian Red. I would like to introduce Mr. Kamlesh Trivedi, DGM Sales. Welcome, sir.
Hello.
Mr. Shanik Joshi, Manager Sales. Welcome, sir. From PropTiger, we are joined by Mr. Kamal Chandani. Welcome. Today's project in focus is WTC Commercial Office Space and Studio Apartments in Gujarat International Finance Tech City, which is GIFT City, brought to you by Vidian Red, a builder known for creating sustainable spaces in commercial and residential segment. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team Vidian and Mr. Chandani to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing. Mr. Kamlesh.
Thanks, Surbhi. Just would like to introduce our company. Viridian is creating a landmark in India. We are having 13 world trade. We are having 13 licenses in India from the Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor and Amritsar Kolkata Industrial Corridor. So we are working very closely with the central government as well as the state government. Present landmark project of our organization is World Trade Center Noida. Where we can say leased our first phase, which is around 15 lakh square feet to the Vivo Mobile company. So where 5,000 plus employees are working and lots of revenue generation are happening to the economy. Simultaneously, in the World Trade Center, Gujarat GIFT City, which is the second project of our organization. It's ongoing. We have done a phase 1 delivery and the leasing are on note. Third, WTC Chandigarh, which is in Punjab. So that's also under delivery. So this is about, you can say, the milestone and things what we have achieved. And in present condition, our company, where in across India, 10 projects may have received the OC. We are one of them who have received the OC in Gujarat, in India. And we are very much thankful to the Gujarat government. So everyone has heard, you can say, Gujarat government is very proactive. But yes, this time we see in the lockdown, we have received the OC for our project and the leasing is happening. It's going on. Thank you, Sophie.
Thank you. Mr. Chandani.
Hi everyone, I am Kamal. I represent PropTiger. PropTiger is a real estate advisory firm owned by Elara Group, which also owns Housing.com and Makaan.com. We help our customers in finding a dream home of their choice. We secure some good relationship with the top developers of the country, and we leverage this relationship of ours with the developer to get a good deal for our customers.
Thank you. Before we proceed, I would like to request Team Vidian to walk us through the project presentation for the benefit of our viewers.
So when it comes to a name Gujarat, the things first comes, we are the power surplus state. We are providing powers to the other states of the India. We are the global auto hub. We are the pharmaceutical hub of India. We are everybody knows, we are the glittering state of India, which contributes 95% of total diamond exports. And the Gujarat has a 79% literacy rate. We are one of the highest in that also. And on and above that, we contribute 30% in Indian share market and 9% in Indian GDP. So Gujarat is a very glittering state, and vision of the same. When present Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2006-07, there was a vision of first International Financial Service Center of India and first model smart city of India. At that moment, the foundation was laid in the Gandhinagar, Gujarat, a Gujarat International Finance Tech City. This was the vision, was laid down in 2007. And today, there are more than 200 plus companies are operational in the GIFT City and 11,000 plus employment is generated over there. Next slide, please. See, this is the location map. This is the overall project, Gujarat International Finance Tech City, which spreads over 900 acres, having the two zones. One is IFSC zone, International Financial Service Center zone, and another is domestic tariff area. If you see a orange mark, World Trade Center, which is one of the largest allotment of Gujarat International Finance Tech City, we are having a 9 acre of the land and 1.5 million of square feet of development over here. We are located in the domestic service area, and presently there are lots of incentives has been offered by the central government and government of Gujarat for our companies, and on the support of the same, on the working of the World Trade Center team, India Services team on the same, we are leasing our first phase of delivery tower A and D on the same. Next, please. Shrenik, would you like to highlight on the state of the art infrastructure of the GIFT City?
I think we have lost Mr. Joshi due to some technical difficulty.
Okay, no issues. So we have lost Shanik. We'll get back to him very soon. You can say Shanik, definitely yes. We are. You can say that when in any model smart city, the first, the aim of the GIFT City having a world-class road with zero accident city. So the road has been designed accordingly. Another problem what we have seen in any project is that you can see the cooling system, and the, where there is a lots of cost is involved in the cooling system. Here there is a district cooling system plant is there, from all the buildings are going to get it chilling from the cooled water. This reduce the energy cost and improves the efficiency of the employees. Utility tunnel, everybody, you, me, Kamal, everybody, we have seen, you can say everywhere we have seen a digging on the roads. So sometimes it's for the cable, sometimes it's for the sewage, sometimes it's for any other things, and we are facing lots of problems. Here in entire 900-acre smart city, there is a utility tunnel, and any problem comes from the real time, the van can go inside and resolve the problem. Water management, the GIFT City is located on the bank of Sabarmati. So it's a zero discharge water will be used, and anybody can use and drink a water from the taps. Automated waste collection system. Nowadays, this is really required for the next generation technology. From each and every building, there are the chutes are provided, and the collection, waste collection will be done. It will be fumed in the 000 seconds. So there is no collection and thrown to the any other part of the city. So this is one of the best things. Samruddhi Sarovar, definitely yes, for any kind of township, we need a water reservoir. So this artificial lake will be created in the GIFT City. Again, do not have to say much. We are the power surplus state, and there are 2 grid of the power is provided in the GIFT City. We have fire station, emergency response center, and definitely yes, today's problem everyone is facing, you, me, anyone, you can say, when we go with the car, we need a car parking. So there are 9 buildings of the multi-level car parking in the GIFT City are there, which has a provision of 10,000 car park. Plus on and above that, we and World Trade Center, where we have focus, we have again, you can say on and above that, as a project, we have a 2 basement of car parking, which is an added advantage for our investors. Next. So as I have told you, there are 200 plus companies are operational in the GIFT City. If I name a few, you can say State Bank of India's commercial tower is in progress. Bombay Stock Exchange is already operational and running from the GIFT City, which is international exchange. Our domestic exchange is in Bombay. Oracle is in the GIFT City. There is a LIC is under progress. Tata Communication has set up, there is servers, racks. So at present, what we have a problem, again, you can say in the smart city feature, there is a building which has a racks of the server. So no one has to play over there. You can say their own server, they can have a racks over there and they can run their things. TCS and Bank of America is playing a major role in the GIFT City. In the GIFT 2 tower, TCS having a more than, you can say, 3 lakh square feet of the space. Bank of America has recently started an operation over there and aim to create 1900 jobs over there. Next slide, please. The financial institutions and companies which are running from the GIFT City, because aim of the GIFT City is International Financial Service Center. So we see all our leading banks taking from the nationalized bank, Bank of Baroda to HDFC Bank or Andhra Bank, IDBI Bank, Dena Bank, any bank you take a name, you can say there are more than 22 banks are operational from in the GIFT City for their international business unit operations. Next slide, please. The ITS companies, as I have named, there are TCS who plays a major role. in all the activities of the government services as well as the private services. Oracle, the Infibeam, the Maxim Integrated, and many other companies are already operational from the GIFT City, and there are lots of global companies are eyeing to come in the GIFT cities. Yes, institutions and the banks. So there are two zones, as I have explained earlier, domestic tariff area and the IFSC. So banks are there in the IFSC as well and the domestic tariff area as well. There are insurance companies for the reinsurance business are present in the GIFT City. As I have explained, there is an international exchange of BSE and NSE is operational from the GIFT City. Next, please. And major news which before COVID we have seen in the GIFT City, there are the major global companies, the ITITS companies are eyeing their footprint in the GIFT City. And the good news, there are lots of fintech companies. In this COVID scenario, India has got an valuable, you can say, added advantage to us. So most of the, you can say, companies, I would like to foray into the Gujarat, which is a fintech companies, and the WTC is a pioneer over there. So we are working very closely with the government and international services. So definitely, yes, we are going to get a valuable advantage in the World Trade Center GIFT City as well. There are GIFT cities working on the artificial intelligence as well. So GIFT City is planning to make AI hub for the same, which is very beneficial to all the smart city development and across India. As well as we have explained, Bank of America already created a 1900 job and it's going on. And the next phase of development, the present view of the GIFT City. Next slide, please. So this is what the present view of the Gujarat International Finance Tech City when you enter from the North Gate. So the GIFT 1, GIFT 2 tower, there is a BSE INX in the first tower, then there is a NSE in the second tower, and ahead you can see there is another towers, the other companies are located. Next, please. Shrenik is back. I would like to hear from Shrenik for the project development. Shrenik.
Hi all. So
Shrenik.
yes. So okay. So सिटी में टोटल 4 टावर है A, B, C, D जो अभी एज ऑफ नाउ जो रेडी फॉर पोजीशन है विच इज आपको जो G+6 स्टोरी जो स्मॉल टावर दिख रहे हैं A and D टावर इज रेडी फॉर पोजीशन A block में we have a retail options and first to 6th floor we have a office space which is lockable and unlockable जो हाई राइज टावर है जो G+27 which is उसमें ground और first floor is commercial and the second floor to 27 floors we have office option which is lockable and unlockable option and in 17 story G+17 which is studio apartment and in ground floor and first floor we have a retail option, restaurant option and first floor we have a food court option and from the third floor to 17th floor we have a studio apartment.
To add on to the Shrenik's note, you can say, the World Trade Center complex has been designed with respect to requirement of the multinational or the small and medium scale enterprises. We have office spaces available from 500 square feet to the 5 lakh square feet. So all the adaptive suite office spaces has been designed over there. We have projected our tower A and D, which are the 6-story towers you see over the presentations. Are the small, it's a SME financial hub. And we are working very aggressively with the government and the BSE and NSE stockbroking companies for the leasing of the same. So this is the perspective layout of the overall project, which we carry. It's this complete layout carries a 2 level of the basement, which has a capacity of 1,000+ car parking, and it is an integrated development. Which gives a life. We need a life in the office space. So it's a livable spaces where in the tower C you have a studios, you have a retail, second floor you have a club, and there are you can say plaza spaces where there is a you can say space and you can enjoy a work-life balance over the same. Next.
So ये जो है जैसे मैंने बताया आपको जो A ब्लॉक जो था G+6 स्टोरी उसका layout है जैसे we have a two premium space or two premium office space and rest we have a small option like starting from 455 square feet to moreover 1600 square feet office space we have. Next please. जो मैंने बताया जो सबसे हाई राइज जो टावर है G+27 स्टोरी, सो वी हैव अ ऑफिस स्पेस, तो उसका जो लेआउट है कि जिसमें लाइक स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 500 स्क्वायर फीट टू मोर देन 2000 स्क्वायर फीट वी हैव ऑफिस स्पेस ऑप्शन अवेलेबल। इन सी ब्लॉक जैसे सर ने बताया कि ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे वी हैव अ रेस्टोरेंट स्पेस, रेस्टोरेंट 1 and 2, so starting from restaurant size is 3745 square feet, and in ground floor we have a retail shops, the size starting from 1605 square feet, 1605 square feet. Next, first floor we have a food court option, and first floor we have a retail shop option which is 1340 and 1385 square feet. Next, so जैसे सर ने बताया कि from third floor onwards, third floor to 17th floor we have a studio apartment. We have a 1 and 2 BHK studio apartment. In each floor we have only one apartment which is 2 BHK, and rest are the 1 BHK options. And studio size is starting from 820 square feet. Next, सेम ए टावर का जो है रेप्लिका डी टावर है जहाँ पे प्रीमियम ऑफिस स्पेस है और रेस्ट आर दी स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफिस स्पेस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 455 स्क्वायर फीट. नेक्स्ट, so these are the payment plans, asset builder and down payment plan. Next,
so how we are going to introduce is this as an asset builder, as you can say, where we find, you can say, at present our any of the investments where we are doing, we pay more on the taxes, we pay more on the other charges and taxation, there is a GST. So what we have planned accordingly, there is a saving, the saving where we have to invest and appropriate net present value of the investment should come up. So accordingly, we have designed our plans, which is on the benefit of the investors, which will be explained in person by the PropTiger team and our team members. And that leads to more, you can say, where I see, you can say, two global power brands are there. You can say World Trade Center and the Gujarat International Finance Tech City. Your investment is highly secured. And definitely, yes, with respect to that, what I have said in the present COVID situation, there is a high return, higher occupancy is there. Our towers are not going to be left without occupant. We have higher rental than the Ahmedabad, as I've discussed with Kamal. We are gauging the rentals from 40 rupees to 50 rupees per square feet, and the escalation of 7% per annum. Definitely, these deals are not possible even in any other market in this present pandemic situation. Third is capital appreciation, where we have seen many of our, you can say, investment done in 2015, 16, 17. People have earned from 33% to 45% capital appreciation on their investment. And definitely, yes, when it's leased out, I'm enjoying the returns. My dream is shaped up. My investment is secured. I'm getting higher return. I have pride of ownership. What the decision I have took before 3 years, 4, 5 years, it was on the note. My dream is shaped up. WTC is here and delivering. Would like to talk about, next please. Would like to talk about more our projects where I have, we can say, we have seen, can say we have projects in the National Capital Region, in and around the Delhi, UP and the Gurgaon and the Punjab as well, where there is a construction progress. You can see tower, the first picture, which is a larger picture, World Trade Center GIFT City, where you see the tower A, which is ready and we have received OC and the leasing is in progress for the same. Another pictures are of the NCR where delivery is in progress. Next, please. This is what the major achievement of our group, Viridian. We have received a occupancy certificate for the more than 25 lakh square feet in World Trade Center Noida, World Trade Center GIFT City, and Plaza at 106 residential project in Gurgaon. We have leased more than 25 lakh square feet of the area to the larger companies like mobile operating companies and the share broking companies. So we are playing very vital role with Gujarat government and the UP government. The investment which has been gauged in the economy is more than 30,000 crore. The overall job creation because of this momentum, the economy where we have seen Vivo in the company and another companies, the new employment generated we have seen is a 50,000 plus jobs in India. As well, we have one company called, you can say, Viridian Ventures, where 340 through 3A startups are working, and we are working very aggressively with the new entrepreneurs also. Next, please. This is the well-timed delivery. I must say it's a well-timed delivery. In the COVID situation, we have delivered our tower A and D. We have received the OC, as well as the leasing is in progress. Next, please. Thank you. I welcome a further session.
Thank you, team, for the detailed presentation. I would request our viewers to drop in their queries in the comment section. We will try to address them in the later half of this webinar. So now let's get to some question answers. Mr. Kamlesh, tell us more about WTC project and what do you think will appeal to buyers who are looking for investment in GIFT City?
So first of all, I'll start from the GIFT City. Yes, as I have told you in the presentation, GIFT City is the first model smart city of the India. It's a vision and the dream project of the present Prime Minister. It's the first IFSC of the India. So it's a very well located in between Gujarat, it's in between Gandhinagar and Ahmedabad. And as in World Trade Center, which has, you can say, global power brand and having an investment option ranging from 35 lakhs to the 2 crore or 5 crore on the range of the same, where we see the sustainable returns, proper occupancy and capital appreciation. Yes, investment is well secured and it's for the future. It's for the vision.
So how good is GIFT City as an investment destination and what is the scope of development like? What do you see in next 5 to 10 years down the line?
Scope of development in the GIFT City already, if you have seen, you can say if many of the people have visited the GIFT City. The first phase of the development, the infrastructure, the road, district cooling system, utility tunnels, the first 10 buildings has been already up and running over there. So yes, there is a very good scope of the development of the Gujarat International Finance Tech City. And as I have told you, that lots of opportunities has come because of this COVID. Lots of companies are moving from the Southeast Asia and the other Asian countries and the European countries to the India. And we are going to get a benefit of the fintech companies in the GIFT City.
Mr. Joshi, who is the target audience and which age group is most active when it comes to property buying in GIFT City?
Basically, all Indians can buy, NRI also can buy, and who is willing to invest in next upcoming smart city hai, these are the target audience. On age group की बात करें तो we have a starting from 455 square feet office space. So जो अपना initially जो startup करना चाहते हैं, so they can also buy this.
Can you also tell us about the USPs of your project, Mr. Joshi?
Okay, जैसे सर ने आपको बताया था लास्ट स्लाइड में कि we have हम लोग जो है चार जो P है, power of P, हम उस पे वर्किंग कर रहे हैं, like security of investment, जैसे सर ने बताया कि WTC is a global power plant, like जैसे high return, जैसे कि आपको rental income मिलेगा जो बंदा investment करेगा leasing के लिए, like capital appreciation, pride of ownership.
Okay. Could you also throw some light on the available property options at WTC project, Mr. Joshi?
So हमारे पास अभी जो available option है, studio apartment available है, office space starting from minimum 700 square feet जो अभी available है. We have a retail options also available, and we have a one restaurant space also available.
Okay, all right. Moving on, let me show you why WTC project and GIFT City continues to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers.
India, the fastest growing economy, is expected to soon be amongst the top economic powers of the world. Real estate sector in India is expected to reach a market size of $1 trillion by 2030. Like most prosperous and old cities of the world, Ahmedabad, the financial hub of Gujarat, has developed adjacent the river bank of Sabarmati. While transit-oriented development has made connectivity easier, multi-speciality hospitals, sports stadiums, and proximity to religious destinations and tourist attractions serve as an added advantage to investors. It is strategically located with great access to Mumbai and Delhi via both railway line and national highway, and due to its steady transformation into an urban landscape, this city has turned into a house hunter's dream destination. Gujarat International Finance Tech City is an integrated development on 886 acres of land, which includes office spaces, residential apartments, schools, hospitals, hotels, clubs, retail, and various recreation facilities, which makes the city a truly walk-to-work city. The city is located on the bank of river Sabarmati, connecting the business capital Ahmedabad and the political capital Gandhinagar of Gujarat state, the growth engine of India. GIFT City is set to be the new financial and technology gateway of India for the world. The World Trade Center network, headquartered in New York, comprises of office complexes across 319 cities in 88 countries and serves over 1 million companies. Each World Trade Center serves a purpose of helping the business development of its member companies by providing a wide range of services. It is no surprise that the World Trade Center is an address shared by many Fortune 500 companies. WTC GIFT City Gujarat is one of the main projects of GIFT City and is proud to present studios and exclusive living spaces shaped by prestigious WTC. Welcome to Studios, a premium address in the WTC GIFT City complex, a strategic investment that enables security of investment, high returns, and pride of ownership. Studios at WTC GIFT City for the first few who cannot settle for the next best.
I hope our viewers have found this video helpful. Moving on, let's pick some audience questions. So Mr. Akshit is asking, in the next 5 years, can I expect a good capital appreciation in GIFT City? Mr. Kamlesh, would you like to answer this one?
Yeah, definitely, yes. As we have seen, you can say when this project was launched in 2007 till we have seen the history of the GIFT City. So yes, the same question was there by the investor in the 2015-16 to us. So they have got around, you can say 33 to 45% capital appreciation for the project. And yes, in next 5 years, when the global hub is ready, it's a unique project of India, first model smart city of the India, which is shaping. So yes, definitely, yes, we anticipate a good capital appreciation, likely same 30 to 40% in next 5 years or more than that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next question is from Miss Mani. She's asking, how is the connectivity in GIFT City and how far it is from Ahmedabad? Mr. Joshi, would you like to answer this one?
अहमदाबाद से अगर कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो ऑलमोस्ट 15 to 20 किलोमीटर्स ड्राइव फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद, और जो अगर अहमदाबाद एयरपोर्ट से बात करें तो ऑलमोस्ट 7 to 8 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद इंटरनेशनल एंड डोमेस्टिक एयरपोर्ट से, और गांधीनगर से you can drive only 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, one of our viewers is asking how much I can invest minimum. So he wants to know about minimum investment. So Mr. Joshi, would you like to answer this one, please?
मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट जो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 35 lakhs, जो बेसिक कॉस्ट जो है हमारे पास, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया 455 स्क्वायर फीट मिनिमम ऑफिस साइज जो है वो आपको 35 लाख रुपीज से स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम है, और जो स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट की बात करें तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 41 लाख रुपीज.
Okay. Miss Millie is asking, what is the booking value as of now and what will be the refund in case of any problem? Mr. Joshi, would you like to answer this one?
बुकिंग अमाउंट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 2 लाख रुपीज प्लस जीएसटी, एंड अगर जैसे आपने बताया कि अगर किसी को कैंसिल करना है सो विल टॉक ऑन केस टू केस बेसिस.
Okay. So this is a very interesting question from Miss Krati. She's asking, what are the exclusive offers and discounts that I can expect from the builder if I pay the booking amount right now? So Mr. Joshi, would you like to answer this one?
सो जैसे बताया कि प्रॉप टाइगर के लिए हमने ऑलरेडी डिफरेंट डिस्काउंट स्कीम वर्कआउट किया है. सो प्रॉप टाइगर आरएम जो होगा इंडिविजुअली वो कस्टमर से को जो भी हमने अभी ऑफर्स है वो शेयर कर देंगे.
So I will like to add on to this. So if you have a query, if you want to purchase a property, at GIFT City WTC, you can drop in your queries. We will get in touch with you. there is an ongoing offer exclusively for PropTiger, and it again depends on the time condition of the payment and what is the outright payment which the customer is making. Basis that we can take a call and offer some lucrative discounts for the customers.
Okay, so there are a number of questions regarding the position of the project. So when do we expect Tower C to be delivered? What are the expected timescales for transport infrastructure development around GIFT? And when will be the possession for offices in Tower B? So Mr. Kamlesh, would you like to answer these?
Yeah, so overall position is as an overall project. The overall project is going to be developed and delivered. That will take, you can say, around 22 and 23 would be there. You can say the transport facilities are already in place. If you want, you can say the transport facilities with respect to buses, private buses, and the government buses already running. BRTS is already extended up to the Sabarmati area. From there, the GIFT buses and the other private buses are running, which is getting a transportation over there. The metro is also up to, you can say, the Motera is developed, and that will be, you can say, up to reach to the, you can say, GIFT City in the next few years over there. Overall development will take 20 to 23, but the phases wise, Tower B, we are likely to complete in 21, 22, the last part, and simultaneously Tower C, you can say, will be completed, because that's a helping, you can say, that's a tower which is, you can say, supporting arm of the World Trade Center, Tower ABC, because Tower C, the major unique, as we have said, you can say, Tower C is meant the service apartment are for the CEOs, manager, the general manager who are going their delegation. They are going to come and stay in the Tower C studios.
Okay. All right. So next question is from Mr. Gagan. He's asking how WTC Studio can fit into my investment plan if I want to invest now. Mr. Joshi, what you would like to say about it?
So basically जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि साइज जो है 820 स्क्वायर फीट है, और जो टिकट साइज जो है डाउन पेमेंट में which is 41 lakh rupees. So we have a three type of different payment plans. So we'll share with you guys PropTiger, and PropTigers will get back.
Suitable to the investment in the studios, or you can say anywhere you invest at present in any moment, anywhere in the India, in the residential project. So they are just in residential. This is a commercial service suite. It's not an only residential, it's a commercial service suite. So that could be very well utilized by the corporates. So that gauge a good returns over the period. And if any case, you can say it in present scenario also, you can say there would be a demand for the same.
Next question is from Mr. Jagat. He's saying, I am a startup owner looking to buy a property in GIFT City. Can you suggest me, should I invest in here? So Mr. Kamlesh, would you like to address this question?
Yeah, definitely. Yes, you should invest with the World Trade Center, because we have lots of arm. Even he's in startup, he have a startup company also. He can go through and run his things also, you can say, because we are providing multiple services over there in the Viridian Ventures. And yes, definitely, as I will say, for the future, because GIFT City is the future of India, and the startups or any other companies, they should have certain spaces in the GIFT City for the next generation business.
Mr. Ankit is asking, how much rent returns can I expect if I invest in WTC Studio apartment? So Mr. Kamlesh, would you like
So overall, what we have worked out, you can say, in the taking to the present situation and the kind of rental investment, what our Tower A&D customer, an example, they are getting, we have done a calculation over the 9 years, the return on investment, IRR, is from, you can say, 8 to 10%.
That is, I think, one of the best in the market, because in residential, 3 to 4% kind of return is considered to be good, and commercial maybe 5 to 6% is considered to be decent. And if at all it is at 8 to 10%, it is actually way beyond this market. So it is a good return proposition. Also, having said that, there are not much of residential spaces in GIFT City, and there is a huge employment, which also creates a huge demand for the residential usage. So, like Mr. Kamlesh has already addressed that, that if there are employees who are coming for delegation for a shorter span of time, like 6 months, 3 months, then these studio apartments serve a good purpose and actually, yield a very high return. So I think, like Mr. Kamlesh said, it is a good proposition from rental perspective as compared to any other option in the market.
Kamal, I would like to ask and add on one thing over here. Kamal, I just wanted to ask if PropTiger has to take a few apartments for their employees in the GIFT City. There is a hotels. Let's not take the name. The hotels and the club for offering a per day rate of, we can say, 4 to 5 thousand,
Exactly.
and the
So I got
one
your point.
bedroom studio.
I got a question. So it is around. So if someone is coming for say 1 month of time,
Hmm.
and the average rate of hotel is say 5,000, he'll end up spending 1,50,000. On the contrary, if he's getting the same facilities with same furnishings, and he will not mind paying 35,000 for a monthly basis. So on an investment of say 30, 35, 40 lakhs, if you're getting around 3.4, maybe 4, 5 lakhs kind of return on an annual basis, it is as good as 10%. So your question is very valid, Mr. Kamlesh, and I hope it also answers a lot of queries from the customer standpoint.
Right, thank you.
Thanks, Kamal.
Okay, so next question is from Miss Suchita. She's asking, please share more information about studio like size rates. So, Mr. Joshi, would you like to answer this one? Though we have already covered it, but I would like you to
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
repeat it.
So size is 820 square feet. The rate per square feet is 6,550 rupees per square feet. And we have a three different plan: 95% payment plan, 50% payment plan, and 25% payment plan. And according to the plan, we have a different discount options. So if we'll reach ma'am to later to giving you the exactly costing and exactly discount and all.
Okay.
And one more thing I want to add कि हम लोग जो दे रहे हैं आपको सेमी फंड लाइक आपका जो है वो रहेगा हम मॉड्यूलर किचन करके देंगे आपको देन जो रहेगा आपका हम पूरा लाइक वन काइंड ऑफ लाइक उनको खाली वाइट गूस लाना है सारी चीज हम आपको उसको उनको
It's a like, and you can say the service apartment, what we have seen maybe in the Bombay, Delhi, and the
Right.
Kolkata,
Right.
Bangalore, we have seen the kind of service suite. But anybody can say most of the people have visited Dubai. So people have stayed in the service apartment. Kind of service apartment we are going to provide for your usage.
Next question is from Mr. Ankur. He's asking, how can I avail bank loan for commercial property? Mr. Kamal, would you like to answer this one?
Yes, so we this since it is a commercial establishment, there are options like commercial finance or mortgage finance which can be done. You can get in touch with us. It again, it is a very subjective topic, so depending on the profile and the kind of returns and the your profession, it varies. The rate varies from 10%, it goes up till 14-15%. Definitely, there are finance options available. Unlike residential, there is no home loan available on this. So we can get in touch with you and probably we can resolve your needs for this.
Mr. Anurag is asking, please help. Is it safe time to buy now? Also, if I wait, can I expect better discounts and concessions? Mr. Trivedi, would you like to address this one?
No, waiting more, you can say there would be, because these properties are getting leased out. These properties are getting constructed. So more and more the property get leases, the capital appreciation is double. As we calculate in the market, my property rate, you can say it's double than what I'm getting return on investment. So my property cost, I have purchased at 4,000, I'm getting 10% return. Definitely, I expect you can say sale price of, you can say, not less than 7,000 rupees in the market. Other than that, I'm enjoying a good return out of it. So definitely, yes, as I have told you, in this situation, lots of requirement from the multinational companies. Central government and the state government is working very proactively on the first model smart city because it's a financial hub. So definitely, yes, this is the right time to buy property.
Also, there is not an abundance of supply, so supply is limited, and investors who have already invested big time, there has been a decent leasing which is happening all across the WTC. So since the availability is low and the aspirants are high, so we are expecting good price increase. So you should not wait for any longer time. This is not a residential project. Let me correct it. And COVID has nothing to do with the prices of WTC. It is any which way is going to increase, considering the fact of law and considering the law of supply and demand. So that's it.
Okay. Ms. Swati is asking, how do you update buyers and investors about construction status? Mr. Joshi, would you like to answer this one?
तो एवरी मंथ हम लोग जो है न्यूज़ लेटर्स भेजते रहते हैं अपने एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंट को भी और जो भी हमारे प्रोस्पेक्टिव क्लाइंट है उनको भी सो अगर उनको चाहिए होगा तो विल डेफिनेटली विल सेंड यू द न्यूज़ लेटर आल्सो अबाउट द कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड अबाउट द व्हाट आर द लाइक गिफ्ट सिटी में क्या चल रहा है क्या डेवलपमेंट है क्या आने वाला है और डब्ल्यूटीसी में क्या अभी है each and everything will cover on newsletter. So we'll send it to you.
Mr. Tyagi is asking, if I invest in this project, what should be my time frame to expect decent capital appreciation? Mr. Kamlesh, would you like to answer this one?
Definitely yes. Yeah, in the case of the capital appreciation, as the property is on the verge of the leasing, the occupancy is there. The timeline of other tower of the construction, if you invest in the definitely if you invest in the tower A and D, where very limited units are available, so definitely yes, capital appreciation will be a high chances of 50 to 60% capital appreciation in next 5 to 6 years, because property is pre-leased and occupied over there. And if under construction tower, it's a more or less same, because it's going to be delivered in next 20 to 24 months. So over there, the chances of capital appreciation is high, because the leasing is done, the occupiers are there in the building.
Okay. Mr. Verma is asking, I am a business owner looking to buy a property in Gift City. Can you tell me more about commercial property options available in your project? Mr. Joshi, I would request you to please once again repeat the options available in your project.
ओके स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम जैसे मैंने बताया कि 700 स्क्वायर फीट से अभी मेरे पास मिनिमम स्पेस अवेलेबल है. 700 से लेके 1900 1225 1450 स्क्वायर फीट. सो वी हैव मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल वी हैव.
So for Mr. Verma, I would like to add on over there. If you would like to, means we have two type of option. One is the self-use, where he would like to open an office for himself, and one option is for just to earn a rental out of it. So if Mr. Verma would like to open their own office space, so we have option available from 1,000, 1,200 to 1,500 square feet, and the 3,000 square feet of the office space available in our complex.
Okay. Okay. Next question is from Mr. Sinha. He's asking, please tell us about the social and physical infrastructure in the area. Mr. Joshi, would you like to talk about it?
ओके सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो अभी जमुनाबाई नरसिम्हा स्कूल अभी ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल है, जो बॉम्बे बेस्ड स्कूल है. ऑन एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस गिफ्ट इंटरनेशनल क्लब जो अभी ऑपरेशनल है, वहाँ पे 89 सूट्स रूम से लेके ईच एंड यू नेम द एमिनिटीज, सारी एमिनिटीज वहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. रही बात हॉस्पिटलिटी की, तो स्टर्लिंग आल्सो प्लान टू लाइक कंस्ट्रक्ट द हॉस्पिटल ओवर देयर. एंड जैसे मैंने बताया कि ए एंड डी टावर जो अवेलेबल है, तो वहाँ पे हमारे पास डिटेल ऑप्शंस भी अवेलेबल है. सो वेरी सून वी आर लाइक ओपनिंग टू रिटेल ऑप्शंस आल्सो.
Okay. Next question is from anonymous viewer. He's asking, if we talk about property prices in Gift City, how much property appreciation you have seen in past 3 years? Mr. Kamlesh, would you like to answer this one?
We have seen, as I have told you, can see we do not compare WTC with other projects, not the Gandhinagar, not anywhere in the Gujarat. So we have seen almost, you can say, 40% capital appreciation in the Gift City, in the commercial office space, and in the retail space, it's more than 50%.
Okay. What are the facilities and amenities available in your WTC project? This question is asked by Ms. Divya, and Mr. Joshi, would you like to answer this one?
फैसिलिटी की बात करें तो जैसे जो स्टूडियो टावर है, जो सी टावर, वहाँ पे हमारे पास क्लब हाउस है. सो वहाँ पे लाइक गेट टुगेदर, लाइक चिल्ड्रन प्ले एरिया, लाइक जैसे मैंने बताया कि ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे लाइक वी हैव रेस्टोरेंट स्पेस, लाइक फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे वी हैव अ फूड कोर्ट स्पेस. सो ample like kind of amenities we have available.
Just would like to add on over there. It's like you can say when you enter into any hotel, giving an example of the Ahmedabad hotel, Novotel. So when we enter in the ground floor, there are restaurants are there. When in the first or second floor, there is a swimming pool, clubhouse, gymnasium, spa kind of areas are there. Same would be there. There would be a food court. There would be a cafe shop, and definitely on and above that, the niche retail, the experience zone of the multinational companies like Apple, Samsung, Vivo, any other companies. So their experience center would be there in these retail shops. So these are the major facilities and amenities for the can say purpose of the can say any usage are there for the lifestyle as well as the any shopping.
Okay, next question is, what is the percentage of properties that have been agreed to lease in TAR A and D? Mr. Kamlesh, would you like to answer this question?
Yeah, so almost we have leased, you can say more than our, you can say 50% of the area, and we have received a LOI more than you can say 100%. So we are slowly and gradually moving over the same on the phasing manners. So we have to do a lots of legal and the due diligence, and accordingly we are moving further. But yes, we are working very progressively on the leasing, and very shortly we are going to complete both the towers leasing.
We are receiving a lot of queries from our viewers. Unfortunately, we are running out of time, but don't worry, our team will reach out to you shortly. You can also revisit the webinar video on our Facebook page and YouTube. Now, I would request our panelists to give their closing remarks, starting with Mr. Trivedi.
Yeah, so thank you, Shurbi. There's a lots of insight and things has been come up, and thank you, Kamal and the Prop Tiger team. Shanik is always best, and I say all the viewers and all the attendees are there. You can say this is the tough time we are running through. Maybe we have lost some of our people, and this there you can say stay safe, and you can say enjoy and do not panic about any situation. Enjoy the life at fullest. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Mr. Joshi, your closing remarks, please.
Yeah. First of all, thank you, Prop Tiger team. Thank you, Surbi. Thank you, Kamal sir. And always thanks to Kamlesh sir, always helping. And stay safe. That's it.
Thank you. Mr. Kamal.
Thanks all the participant for joining in and taking out the time for attending the webinar. Just a closing note that you guys please stay safe and like Mr. Kamlesh told that stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.
Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.